Holidays are here, and look at what we got from our friends at KFC. This is their Firelog. Check it out. It smells like fried chicken. I'm all about it, and we're about to try it. What does the instruction say?
Tear at this here seam.
Okay.
Then you loosen the wrapper.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks just like a little log. That's kind of cool. Okay.
Then, so you do it like this.
Mm-hmm.
You put it in the fire. You take your Firelog matches.
Look who else is excited. Hi! So it lights up pretty quickly, and we're just waiting for the actual log to burn to see if it smells like chicken. So far it just smells like fire. It's been about maybe a minute in, and it still has to, by the way they put this, not actually fried chicken, in case you were confused. But we're waiting. Okay, so we are about 10 minutes into burning the log. It's burning like a Duraflame log. And it's not wood, it's compromised of some paper material. And it's burning kind of slow. So the sides in the middle are starting to burn. And it kind of smells like... So now it's starting to smell like chicken. So crazy. I wonder how they do this. It's magic. KFC partnered with Walmart on this product. Okay, so maybe about 20 minutes into it, you can really, it smells like fried chicken and waffles.
Makes me want fried chicken.